Have you ever thought that just one simple cup of juice in the morning could cause a chain reaction inside your body that you might never be able to reverse? Not coffee, not tea, but something that's been called one of the most powerful natural super drinks on earth. It's dark red, it's sweet, and it's been praised for centuries for its health benefits. I'm talking about beet juice. Now, before you think, beets are healthy, what could go wrong? You need to hear this. For seniors, even 1 cup of beet juice first thing in the morning can cause powerful changes in your body. Some of them good, but some of them could be dangerous if you're not careful. The truth is, beet juice doesn't just give you a boost of vitamins. It works deep in your bloodstream, your heart, and even your brain in ways most people don't understand. And if you don't know the full picture, you could be taking a risk without realizing it. Beets are packed with natural plant nitrates. When you drink beet juice, your body converts these nitrates into a compound called nitric oxide. This nitric oxide acts like a signal to your blood vessels, telling them to relax and open wider, a process called vasodilation. Now, why is this important? Because wider blood vessels mean better blood flow. Your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood, your muscles get more oxygen, and your brain gets more fuel to think clearly. For many seniors, this sounds like a dream. Better circulation, more energy, sharper thinking. But here's where the problem begins. If you already take medication for high blood pressure, beet juice can lower your blood pressure even further, sometimes too far, and too fast. This can cause sudden dizziness, blurred vision, weakness in your legs, or even make you faint. For seniors, a fall can be life-changing, and it can happen in seconds if your blood pressure drops unexpectedly. That's not the only concern. Beet juice's ability to open up blood vessels also changes how your heart works. With better blood flow, your heart may pump harder for a short time, delivering more oxygen to every part of your body. For a healthy heart, that's usually fine, but for a heart with underlying problems, this can be an added strain. It's like suddenly running water through an old fragile pipe. It might hold up or it might crack under the pressure. And for people with blocked or narrowed arteries, that rush of blood could cause tiny pieces of plaque to break loose. If those pieces travel to your brain, it could trigger a stroke. If they go to your heart, it could mean a heart attack. Now, I'm not saying beet juice is poison, far from it. But when something can cause such dramatic changes inside your body so quickly, you need to respect its power. Let's talk about circulation for a moment. Many seniors know what it feels like to have cold hands and feet, numbness or tingling in the legs. This is often due to poor circulation, and beet juice can improve it almost instantly. You might even feel a warm flush or tingling in your extremities after drinking it. That's the nitric oxide doing its job. But if your blood vessels aren't in good condition, or if you have varicose veins or fragile capillaries, this sudden boost in blood flow can sometimes cause swelling, discomfort, or pressure changes that don't feel so pleasant. And then there's blood sugar. Beets are naturally sweet, and when you juice them, you remove most of the fiber that would normally slow down sugar absorption. That means beet juice can cause your blood sugar to rise quickly. For someone with diabetes or prediabetes, this is a serious concern. Your body might respond with a surge of insulin to bring that sugar down, but in some cases, it overcompensates, causing your blood sugar to drop too low later on. This sugar roller coaster can leave you feeling tired, shaky, or irritable, and it can make your energy crash in the middle of the day. Now, let's not forget about the kidneys. Beets are high in oxalates, compounds that can bind to calcium and form kidney stones. If you have ever had kidney stones, you know the pain is unbearable. For seniors whose kidneys are already not filtering as well as they used to, drinking beet juice daily can increase the risk of stones or, even worsen existing kidney issues. So while beet juice can be an incredible health booster, it's not for everyone, and it's not something to drink without understanding its effects. But with all these warnings, you might be wondering, why do so many health experts still call beet juice a superfood? because when it's used correctly, it can do amazing things. The nitric oxide boost can increase blood flow to the brain, which may help improve memory, focus, and mental sharpness. That same effect can bring more oxygen to your muscles, making you feel more energetic and less fatigued during the day. The betalains, the natural pigments that give beets their deep red color, are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the body. And for people with mild anemia, the iron content in beet juice can help improve red blood cell production, giving you more stamina. You know, the difference between help and harm really comes down to dosage, timing, and your personal health condition. For most healthy adults over 50, starting with half a cup of beet juice diluted with water is much safer than jumping straight to a full glass. This kind of approach lets your body adjust to the sudden increase in nitric oxide and sugar without, overwhelming your system. And for people on medications, especially for blood pressure, diabetes, or blood thinners, checking with your doctor first is, honestly, a must. Another important factor is timing. While drinking beet juice in the morning can give you an energy lift for the day, it's better not to have it on an empty stomach if you're prone to stomach upset or blood sugar fluctuations. Pairing it with a light breakfast really helps slow absorption and makes the effects gentler. And yeah, it's not a great idea to drink it late in the day because it can act like a mild stimulant for some people, making it harder to fall asleep. The type of beet juice you drink also matters. Freshly made beet juice from whole beets is always the best choice because bottled versions often contain added sugars, preservatives, or have been pasteurized in ways that reduce their nutrient content. When making it at home, wash the beets thoroughly, peel if you prefer, and consider mixing them with other vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, or celery to create a milder flavor and reduce the sugar load. Even so, more isn't better. Your body needs time to process the powerful compounds in beets. Drinking large amounts every single day without breaks can lead to beeturia, where your urine turns red or pink. While harmless, this is a sign that your body is excreting pigments faster than it can process them. More importantly, constant high intake of oxalates over time can put extra strain on your kidneys. So, moderation is key. The truth is, beet juice is not a miracle cure, and it's not a dangerous toxin. It's a tool. And like any tool, it can be incredibly useful or cause damage, depending on how you use it. It can open your blood vessels, feed your brain, fuel your muscles, and fight inflammation. But it can also lower your blood pressure too much, spike and crash your blood sugar, or overload your kidneys if you're not careful. In other words, it's powerful. And powerful things demand respect. The smartest way to approach beet juice is to start slow. Listen to your body and make adjustments based on your health conditions and how you feel. Now that you understand how beet juice works and why it can have such a dramatic impact on the body, let's focus on how to actually use it safely and effectively, especially if you are over 50 and want to get the benefits without putting your health at risk. The first and most important rule is to start small. Do not begin with a full cup of concentrated beet juice, because your body may not be ready for the sudden change in blood flow, blood pressure, and sugar levels. Instead, start with just 4 ounces, which is about half a small glass, and dilute it with an equal amount of water. Drink it slowly and pay attention to how you feel over the next few hours. If you notice dizziness, lightheadedness, or an unusual drop in energy, that's a sign you may be sensitive to its effects and should either reduce the amount or avoid it altogether. If everything feels fine, you can gradually increase to a full 8-ounce cup over time. But there is no benefit in going beyond that for most seniors. And in fact, drinking too much can create more risks than rewards. The second rule is to never drink beet juice on a completely empty stomach if you have blood sugar concerns or sensitive digestion. Without food to slow the absorption of natural sugars, beet juice can hit your bloodstream very quickly, causing a spike in blood sugar followed by a crash. This can leave you feeling tired or irritable, and it can be especially dangerous if you are diabetic or pre-diabetic. A light breakfast with some protein or healthy fats, like a boiled egg, a handful of nuts, or a slice of whole grain toast, will help slow the sugar absorption and give you more steady energy. For those on blood pressure medication, timing matters. If you take your medication in the morning, avoid having beet juice right afterward, because the combined effect could make your blood pressure drop too low. Space them out. If you take your medication in the evening, then have your beet juice in the morning. If you take your medication in the morning, then enjoy beet juice later in the day, perhaps with lunch. This separation helps reduce the risk of dangerous drops in blood pressure. Another smart way to drink beet juice is to mix it with other vegetables. Carrot juice, cucumber juice, or celery juice not only make the flavor milder, but also dilute the concentration of nitrates and sugars. This gives your body a more balanced nutrient profile and reduces the likelihood of any sudden changes in blood pressure or blood sugar. It's also a great way to get a variety of vitamins and minerals in one drink. If you have kidney concerns, limit beet juice to once or twice a week instead of daily, because of the high oxalate content that can contribute to kidney stone formation. You can also lightly steam or boil beets before juicing them, as this can slightly reduce the oxalate content while still preserving most of the nutrients. For diabetics or anyone watching their sugar intake, pairing beet juice with high-fiber foods is an excellent idea. Fiber helps slow the release of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing sharp spikes and dips. Even something as simple as a small salad or some chia seeds with your juice can make a noticeable difference in how steady your energy feels afterward. Now, how quickly can you expect to feel the effects? For some people, the difference in circulation, energy, or mental clarity can be noticed within just a few hours of drinking beet juice. Your hands and feet may feel warmer, your thinking might feel sharper, or you may notice a subtle boost in stamina. For others, especially if your circulation has been poor for quite a long time, it may take several days to notice a difference, as your nitric oxide levels slowly increase with consistent intake. But remember, more is not better. Drinking beet juice every single day for weeks on end without breaks is not necessary, and in some cases, it can actually be harmful. A safer long-term approach is to have it 3 to 4 times per week, with days off in between. This gives your body a chance to use the nutrients without being overloaded. Another thing to keep in mind is that beet juice works best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. It's not a magic bullet that will fix circulation problems or heart issues if your diet is poor, you're inactive, or you smoke. It should be one tool in a broader plan that includes regular movement, a balanced diet rich in vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and of course, proper hydration. And yes, if you are a senior dealing with poor circulation, memory decline, or low energy, beet juice can be a very helpful addition, but only if it fits into your personal health needs and medication plan. Now, let's talk about who should avoid beet juice altogether. If you have low blood pressure, beet juice can push it even lower, leading to dizziness or fainting. If you have kidney disease or a history of kidney stones, you should avoid high oxalate foods like beets, unless your doctor gives you the go-ahead. People with certain metabolic disorders like hemochromatosis, which causes iron overload, should also be cautious, because beets contain iron that could add to the problem. If you are taking blood thinners, beet juice's effect on circulation might interfere with your medication, so again, check with your doctor first. For everyone else, beet juice can be a safe and enjoyable part of your diet. If you follow the guidelines, always use fresh, clean beets and make juice at home whenever possible to avoid added sugars and preservatives in store-bought versions. Wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or bacteria, and if you prefer a milder taste, you can peel them before juicing. Drinking your juice slowly and savoring it also helps your body process it better than gulping it down quickly. Finally, listen to your body. If you notice side effects like dizziness, upset stomach, or unusual fatigue after drinking beet juice, it's best to reduce your intake or stop altogether. Your body will often tell you if something isn't working for you, and, honestly, ignoring those signs can lead to bigger problems. The truth is, beet juice has a lot to offer. It can open up your blood vessels, deliver oxygen to your brain and muscles, and fight inflammation. But its power means it should be handled with respect. Use it wisely, and it can be an ally for your health. Use it recklessly, and it can cause the very problems you are trying to avoid. So, take the safe route. Start small, pay attention, and enjoy the benefits without the risks. And before you rush to make your next glass, remember, every body is different, and what works wonders for one person might not be right for another. Now that you have the facts, you can make a smart choice about whether beet juice belongs in your morning routine. If you found this video helpful and it gave you a clearer picture of both the benefits and the risks, then please take a moment to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more senior-focused health tips, and share it with someone you care about. You never know. The right piece of health information at the right time could make a life-changing difference for someone you